Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to do the data analysis, right? So here we are going to do the case study of 7 questions. So here we do have a 7 question in the A column, and we do have a 3 data sets: customer, product, and order, right? So basis this question that we have to do the data manipulation, data analysis, and we have to figure it out that how we can how we can keep bring the output as per the question on the table. So let's start. So the first question says that the find the top 10 customer by total sales. So here we do have our sales in the order data, right? Sales amount is this, and here we do have a customer ID and we do have a customer name as well, right? So here what I want to show here, find out the top 10 customer by total sales. So here what I can do, I can bring here the customer name from the customer table. Okay, so right here customer name, this is something the data manipulation we are doing. So we can use our brain basis the customer id, we can have the customer name. Okay, that's it. This is the customer name now we have basis this data. Okay, now here solve one, I am writing here solve one. Okay, so just let's create a pivot table, alt and vt. Or apart from that also you can do the one thing. Okay, so what you can do, we do have a one customer id is repeated, I think, right? Let me see. Yes, we do have the one customer is repeated. So what we can do, we can simply create a pivot table. Okay, go in the existing sheet here. Just something went wrong, let me check it. Okay, now alt and vt. Okay, take this table int and press ok. Customer id, you can bring here customer name and total sales. Customer name is will be in the rows and sales amount is here. So what you can do, you can remove the subtotal first, I don't want to have that. Now we do have our table. Okay, now let's format it little. I'm formatting it and I'm removing it, the buttons, right, and making it into the center and making in the comma separated value first. Okay, and after that I can name it as, okay, right. And now what exactly we need to do here, we have to first sort this data. Okay, basis the sales, we need to sort it all ds, largest to smallest. Okay, now this is the largest to smallest, right? So what I can do, I can do the filter here and I can select number top 10. Instead of top 10, I just want to have only top 10 customer. Click on ok. As soon as that you did, so these are the 10 top 10, the customers where we, these are the 10 top 10. It is, I think, not top 10, right? So now let's, what is the question, let me read it out again. Top 10 customer totals, right? So we can simply go here in the number formats and we can have here top 10, and here on percent, not on items, on percent, no, on items we need to do top 10. Okay, here these are the top 10 customers, right? So here it is coming as 9 just because of duplicates value, and I think maybe we don't have top 10 customers here, right? Because the top 10 values may have more than one value, more than we that value might would have the same amount for the other customer as well, right? So that's why it is coming here as a 9. So this is how that you can, or you can also create any chart basis this. For example, I'm creating here as column chart. Okay, here but we do have a problem. We have a problem that this will not work. It is creating on the entire data set. So here the question number 1 we have solved through the pivot table, which is very easy, and we have to just use our little brain. So these are the top 10 customers which has more sales, right? This is the top 10 customers, right? The question number 1 is solved. Now let's move to the question number 2. This, which city generates the highest revenue? So in the order we do have the sales amount, and we do have a price, and we do have here. So basis sales we can also have the top which cities generate the highest revenue. Okay, So here we don't have a city, we have a city in the table of customer. Again we can have here city equal to VLOOKUP basis customer ID. We can bring city from here to orders tab, right? 3, enter and drag it. Here we have to show, okay, top 5 cities where the sales are top 5 cities where we have made more sales. So solve 2 alt nvt, then I'm going back to the data set, taking it. Now I can drop the city in the row and sales here. So here simply you can do, you can, control one, and you can just convert into the millions. For example, hash comma hash millions. Okay, we can sort this data here, largest to smallest. So top 5 I want to filter it out. For example, top 3 cities where we have made more sales. 3. Okay, here we do have, it is coming as 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's take it as top 5 to 4. Let's keep it as 6. Then we have top 5, right? So let's have, these are the top 5, the cities where we have made the more sales, right? Kolkata, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad and Jaipur. In these cities that we have, these are the top 5 cities where sales are happening more than the other cities, right? This is the question number 2. We have to read the data, okay, very carefully, and we have to solve it. Okay. Now the third question: which product category sells the most? So here we have a product table, and here we do have a product name as well. So here I just want to have here which product category it is asking about category. Okay. So here we have to get the top, not top 2, but I just want to see that, which category is, I mean, in which category, is being sold more, right? So in the market, for example, that we do have, let me filter out something. I do have electronics, so I just want to say in the electronics, right, category, the orders are coming more. So here, basis the order numbers, we will be counting it out, or the quantity. Okay, so now go solve it. Question number 3 solved. Question number 3, alt nvt, go in the existing data. Okay, but we do have here product only. I just also want to have here, I can bring here, the product category equal to VLOOKUP. We have a product ID. Basis this product ID, I can have here my category. Okay, category and product name as well equal to VLOOKUP, just basis product ID. Let's have here your product name as well. Okay, now draw the pivot table here, alt nvt. Data source is not valid. Oh, all right, my bad. Alt nvt, select the data, enter. Here we do have a category, and now product as well. I want to see the top 3 products under each category, okay, where we have more sales, right? This is the quantity. What we can do, I can filter it out here, and I can select here top 5. For example, top 5, nothing is coming in the top 5. Let me, okay, my bad. Let's convert it into the, we have to repeat it. For example, we are just repeating it here. Okay, repeat all items. Very good. Now what you can do, value filters, top 10. Okay, sum of quantity, yes, sum of quantity. Top 3, click OK. No, it's not coming up properly. Select here top 3. Everything is getting hidden. So what we can do, we can remove the product name, and again removing the filter, we have, let's filter out all the categories. So these are the categories where do have a quantity more. So instead of quantity, now let's do one thing, drag your sales amount. Okay, basis that, now what you can do is product name you can bring here. All right, now all DLL, all DFF, then top 10, select here 3. It is not coming up properly, something is wrong here. We do have that category, how many, 4 accessories we do have. Under 4 we do have a multiple product name. All right, now all DFF, DFF, again number filter, or what we can do is we can simple right click, field setting, go in the layout and print out, repeat items labels we need to uncheck. Okay, now let's filter out top 20. What's coming here in the top 20, that we do have a two products are coming under each product, under each category. So for example, here the product category, in the accessories that we do have these 2 products, we do have a more sales. So instead of showing in this way, we can simply create in the simple way, remove the product name. So these are the accessories. Okay, these are the accessory, we can sort it, from the largest to smallest. Okay, so these are the 2 categories I would highlight here. Okay, which has more, where we are making more sales. Okay, in the office supplies category we are making more sales, and the another one is furniture. Then if you will go a little down, then you will have electronics, then you have a accessories, right? So in these 2 categories that we are making more sales. Okay, this is how you can solve this question number 3. Okay, find monthly sales trend. Okay, here we do have already data, and we do have order date, month on month. How many years of data we do have? 2024, 2023. Okay, now what we can have, we just need to create a trend. Okay, month on month sales. Solve question number, solve question number 4. Now alt NVT, select the data orders. Okay, now what we can do, drag your order date here and sales here, and I just need to remove the year only. Okay, and sales I would like to draw in the values. After that, right click, ungroup it. After ungrouping, right click, group it by month or year. Okay, this is what actually I'm getting here. This is what I'm getting. Okay, so what we can do, I can show it in the millions first. Go in the custom, hash comma hash millions. This is something which is coming in the million. I don't want to show here the subtotal, so remove the subtotal first. Okay, what we can do, go in the insert and take any line chart. For example, I'm taking this one. Okay, I'm taking this one. So here what we are showing here, we are showing, I also don't want to, so 2.0 million, very less, that's why. All right, so this is the trend, this is the visualization which we can create basis the data. I can remove it, hide all fill buttons, remove this one, and remove the grid line as well. I don't want to show it here, and I can make it as bold, and I can go in the design, I can choose something, which is more good. All right, let me see which one is more better. Okay, I think this one is more better. Here we can draw it here, month on month sales trend. Okay, and make the size a little small and keep it somewhere like this. Okay, and remove it, and remove the grid line and make it as bold, and after that just select here and add the data label. Okay, I think it seems much better. So here we are showing what we are showing here, and data label I would like to show in the bottom below. Okay, all right. So here month on month, this is the month on month sales trend. Okay, in the month of Jan, I'm talking about 2023. In the month of Jan, that we do have us, we had a sales of 48.8 million. Then again, when we are coming in Fab, then it is dropping. Okay, it is dropping from 48 to 43. And again, when you will read for the March, then again it is going up from 43 to 47. This is how that you will have to read out this data. This is the trend of month on month sales. Okay, this is your question number 4 which we have solved here. Okay, let me paste it here and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Find top performing region. We do have a region in the orders as well. So here just we want to show the top 2 regions, right? The very simple table we need to create. Sort 5 alt nvt, go in the data, select it, and region you have to drop here, and sales amount here. That's it. You can sort it from largest to smallest. These are the top 2 regions where we are making more sales. That's a simple thing we need to do. Okay, that's a simple thing we need to do. Nothing we need to do more than this. All right, what we can do, this is something which we have solved the question number 5 as well. Question number 5. Now question number 6 we need to do. Solved question number 6. What is the question number 6? Let's read. Detect the product with the low sales. We need to identify those products where bottom top top 20 products where the sales are so less. So we can go in the solved here in the question of solved 6, alt and vt, and select your data. We do have a product name, right? All right, we can drag the product name in the rows. We can now have the sales amount in the values. We can filter out here bottom from number. Here we do have a bottom option. Instead of top, select bottom. 20 products, 20. These are the 20 products. Okay, 20 products where the sales are very less. We can form small product name 158 is product name 158 is the product where this product has made very less sales. Okay, if you will compare from the another month, so this is something which is very very small sales, right? And that's how we can do this as well. We have to make it as comma separated. 23, 29, 30, and this is how. These are the top 20 products where the sales are very less. Okay, this is something question number 6 we have solved. Now question number 7, solved 7. What is the question number 7? Let's read. Which month has the highest sales growth? Okay, we have to do the data analysis month on month here. Now alt nvt, select it. Now we do have order date here, and we have a sales, right? Now what we can do, right click, group, we can remove, that's it. Okay, now what we can do, we can make it in the million first for our reading. Hash comma hash has full step and 2 times comma and m, millions. We have converted into the millions. Now we can sort this data from we have to figure it out which month. We have to just show the increasing and decreasing, in which month that we are making more sales, in which month that we are not making sales, right? Sales. So again, what you can do, sales amount, you can again drag in the values and right click, and you can compare it from show values, count difference from the previous month, from the previous month, for example. Okay, so here this is what actually you can show here. Okay, if anything negative, what we can do, alt D, alt HL, and we can do, just let's make it alt DHL, use a formula to determine equal to if anything is less than 0, which means it is not, I mean that month is not good. Okay, fill and font color I would like to have here as white. Okay, and okay, why it has not happened, nothing in the, everything is okay. Again alt HL R, we are going in the setting, edit rules, selected cells is something different, right? So here what you can do, sum of sales amount, select it. Okay, and now this is okay, okay, and apply, and okay. Now if we will look at, so wherever we are having uh wherever we are having, anything less than 0 in the D column, which means 43 is coming, we are comparing with the previous month of Jan, I mean with the month of Jan. So obviously it is dropping by minus 5, minus 5.3 millions. If anything negative, if anything positive, which means that month was, the profitable month for us. So anything greater than 0 was the profitable month. Okay, sorry, this should be green and this should be black, that's all right. Okay, and okay, you look, this is how that we have highlighted. So easily we can go, yes, red one, let's filter out all the red ones. Red one, these are the months. 23, we can repeat it, right click, field setting, layout and print, repeat item labels, and okay, that's it. In this 2023, that these are the months where we had a sales, okay, in the negative. And again when you will compare, when you filter out these green one, so in these months, okay, these are the profitable month, okay, as compared to the previous month. That's how that we can read this data. All right, so I think we have solved all the 7 questions. I hope that you guys have enjoyed, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. All right, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video.